What's up, everybody? In this video I'm going to be getting the 240 and then the Rb25 ready to be started for the first time. I already got it into the car. I didn't really get to video that part, but I'll show you guys a little bit of what I had to do right now just to hopefully get it on the first start and get it driving. So here's the car. It's a 240. Already got the motor in, put it in last night. I rebuilt Rb25. So pretty much what I have to do is just run the wiring through the car, hook it all up to the ECU, hook up fuel, hook up all the fuel, the vacuum lines, hook up the throttle, hook up the intercooler piping, hook up the exhaust, the turbo water lines, pretty much everything still. I have to make my custom breather setup from the oil pan still to a catch can. I don't really know where I'm gonna do that yet, but I have to figure that out still. And just pretty much get all that stuff on there. It's really not much, I guess. I really have it really simple, so I could just take it on and off if I need to really fast. But yeah, I'm gonna start getting it going. Hopefully I get to start it soon. Show you guys in a little bit once I start getting all the wiring in it and start fitting all the stuff in it. All right, so here she is. Got everything installed. Pretty much almost ready to start it up. Just got a couple things left that I have to do, and should be able to start it up this week. Pretty much just have to connect this water line that I broke when I pulled the engine. Gotta put transmission fluid in it, get some oil, put oil in it. Finish some of the wiring. I'm adding a couple sensors, hopefully try to keep it alive if something goes wrong. And pretty much just that, just the wiring for the sensors, run it to the ECU, the water line, oil, and should be good to go. Should hopefully start it up. Let me show you a little bit of the setup. Made it really simple. I run the wiring through the firewall right there where the AC went. This is gonna get moved. Oh yeah, that's another thing I have to do. I have to make that catch can setup. Get the one from the bottom and run it somewhere. I might just keep that one there and make a separate one somewhere else because I don't really have space to put it anywhere. I was thinking of maybe putting in one right here, but I don't know how good of a location that's gonna be. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do yet. I have to figure something out. And that's it really. Just get all those things sorted and get it running and hopefully tune it. Just get it adjusted and start driving. Show you the car a little bit. Just had it painted right before it broke. Have a rear mount set up. Little ghetto, but it works sort of. When I made it, I really didn't know much about rear mounts, but I figured out a lot since I've attempted to do one, and it's only gonna get better from here, I guess. Just gotta change up some lines. Really want to change the setup on the back and just move the radiator around and make it a little bit better. But that's pretty much it. Check back for another video soon. Hopefully this week we'll see it running.